You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this molecule, medication. If you want to learn more confusing medical terms, stay tuned. Got many more videos coming up for you at the end of this video. I'll link to a few for you. Terbinafine, alright, the Americans would say terbinafine, alright, so it's not turbinafine or terbinafine. Terbinafine, the brand name, the pronunciation of the brand name, Lamisil. So how to pronounce in English terbinafine or Lamisil, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.